This is the Impressions, which is the entry-level model for the KASHO brand. So this is the first time I've used these. They appear to be sort of quite a heavy scissor, but they're actually a little bit lighter than I expected. You actually forget that you're using an entry-level scissor because they're still so sharp. They're still well balanced. They're lightweight. They still feel comfortable in the hand, and that to me is one of the most important things. I think they would be a great all-rounder for somebody, particularly when you're new to the industry. You're not going to be in a position where you're buying tons and tons of scissors. So I think as a good starting point, this is a great starting point. What's great about these is the fact that you know that you're using a scissor of real quality.